Phrasal verbs are very important in English. Today we learn about bring up. This phrasal verb has two main meanings that you will hear often in daily conversations. Bring up has two important meanings. First meaning is to raise children and care for them until they become adults. Second meaning is to mention or introduce a topic during conversation. The first meaning of bring up is to raise children. This means to care for children and help them grow into adults. Listen to this example. She brought up 5 children alone. This means she was the parent and took care of 5 children by herself. The second meaning of bring up is to mention a topic or introduce it in conversation. This means to start talking about something specific. Listen to this example. Do not bring up politics at dinner. This means do not start talking about politics during dinner time. Here are more examples for raising children. He was brought up by his aunt. This means his aunt was his parent and cared for him when he was growing up. They brought up their kids to be polite. This means they taught their children good manners while raising them. Here are more examples for mentioning topics. She brought up an old argument. This means she started talking about something from the past that people had argued about. He always brings up money issues. This means he frequently starts conversations about money problems. For raising children, you can also say raise, rear, or nurture. For mentioning topics, you can also say mention, raise, or introduce. These words have similar meanings to bring up but sound a little more formal. Remember these key points about bring up. It has two meanings, raise children or mention topics. Always use context to understand which meaning is correct. Bring up is very common in everyday English conversations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.